Let's see how fast we can put together a well thought out packing list. We'll start off looking at this trip to San Francisco. Let's get this thing going fast by tapping on regulars. Then clothes, electronics, and toiletries. That quickly, we have a packing list that is pretty close to right for this overnight trip. Now let's dig in a bit to see how this works. We'll tap Add Items, and then Toiletries, and then we'll tap on Bundles. Every collection in Packaroo comes with a default bundle called Regulars. You can customize these bundles to match the items that you regularly bring on your trips, like I did here with toiletries. But the real power comes by creating custom bundles. And for that, let's go look at this trip we set up for Laguna Beach. We'll go back into toiletries. And this time, let's create a bundle for Marcia's toiletry bag. And we'll add a few toiletries just to illustrate the concept. And let's create another bundle for John's toiletries. And we'll add some items. And then we can quickly add both toiletry bags to the pack list. Bundles are great for items that are frequently packed together, like first aid kits, cable organizers, camera bags. They're also great when you're packing for multiple people. Notice that we have a comb appearing twice in the same list, and it's clear that one is for John and one is for Marcia. Cool thing is that over time, as you create bundles, you can hone in on the items that you want to bring for all different kinds of travel. You think it through once, and then you can reuse the bundles on future trips. And that's how we build bulletproof packing lists for very different types of trips in a matter of minutes.